I'm Elise with Dirt Road Dancing, and today we are going to rock it out to Timber by Pitbull and Kesha. This is a 4-wall, 32 count advanced dance. So I'm going to face this direction and we'll get started. All right, so our first 8 counts. We're going to start with our right foot and we're going to take a diagonal step back. So we're going to take a long step back and we're going to drag our left foot to our right foot. Then we're going to take our left foot and we're going to take a step back and we're going to drag our right foot to our left foot. So let's put some counts behind that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, slide 3, 4. Now from here we're going to take our right foot and we're going to just take a little step out for 5, bring it in for 6, take this left foot out for 7, and bring it in for 8. Okay, so let's take it to the top of that count. 5, 6, 7, 8, slide 1, 2, slide 3, 4, out 5, 6, out 7, 8. So all of your weight when you end should be on your left foot. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, slide 1, 2, 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now the second set of counts is we're going to do paddle steps twice into the next wall. So we're going to be dancing the 4 walls within the 4 walls. All right, here we go. So we're going to take that right foot and we're going to paddle turn it for 1, 2, and then we're going to walk for 3, walk 4, kick with our right leg for 5, back down for 6, slide our left for 7, 8. So that drag step is for 2 counts. So let's do that count again, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, turn 1, 2, walk 3, walk 4, kick 5, 6, slide 7, 8. Okay, so let's go ahead and put 2 and 2 together. Here we go. Walk up here. 5, 6, 7, 8, slide 1, 2, slide 3, 4, out 5, 6, out 7, 8, paddle 1, 2, walk 3, walk 4, kick 5, 6, slide 7, 8. So it's okay if you're kind of holding it here on that 8 count, as long as you're sliding that left foot, you're good to go. Okay, let's do it again from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, slide 1, 2, slide 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8, paddle 1, 2, walk 3, walk 4, kick 5, 6, slide 7, 8. Okay, so as you slide it in, you're kind of freestyling this leg here. And then we're gonna do counts to where we're gonna freestyle it, or you can shuffle your boots and it's gonna be to the next wall over. So you're gonna turn into the right shoulder and face this next wall. So all of that weight's kind of on our right foot. We're gonna kind of shuffling, scooting to the next wall in 5, 6, 7, 8, scoot it 1 and 2. Then we're gonna take our right heel out for 3. Bring it back in for, and left foot out for 4. Bring that in, and then for 5, 6, we're gonna tap it twice. So let's just do that part. 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, 3 and 4, heel 5, 6, and then we're gonna take our right foot and we're gonna step for 7, and we're just gonna scoot our left foot in for 8, but we're not gonna put any weight on it. So you just kind of want to keep that toe there. Okay, so let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's go ahead and take it from the top. Here we go. Slide it back. In 5, 6, 7, 8, slide 1, 2, slide 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8, paddle 1, 2, walk 3, walk 4, kick 5, 6, slide 7, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so our last 8 count is all of that weight is on our right foot and our left toes tapped lightly. So we are going to do a left side sailor step. So you're going to take that left foot and you're going to sailor step it for 1 and 2. You're going to take the right foot behind for 3, step 4, and then you're going to kick again for 5, bring it down for 6. This is where it gets tricky. You're going to take that left foot, you're going to bring it behind, and you're going to turn in to that right shoulder or your left shoulder for 7, 8. Okay, let's do that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, sailor 1 and 2, 3, 4, kick 5, 6, slide 7, 8. So it's a complete half turn. We'll do that part one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, sailor 1 and 2, behind 3, 4, kick 5, down 6, back at 7, 8. You're going to take that left foot and you're going to make sure after you kick, bring that left back and slide to the half turn. All right, let's go ahead and put all of it together. Here we go. Slide it back. In 5, 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2, slide 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8, paddle 1, 2, walk 3, walk 4, kick 5, 6, slide 7, 8, shimmy 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, sailor 1 and 2, 3, 4, kick 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so because this is an advanced dance, I'm going to go ahead and instruct from all 4 walls so that way you can make sure you get your kicks down and those turns because they can be complicated. So I'll start from the first wall. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8, paddle 1, 2, walk 3, walk 4, kick 5, 6, slide 7, 8, shimmy 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, kick 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, again facing this direction. 5, 6, 7, 8, slide 1, 2, slide 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8, paddle 1, 2, walk 3, walk 4, kick 5, 6, slide 7, 8, shimmy 1 and 2, heel 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, sailor 1 and 2, 3, 4, kick 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now you're at your back wall. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, slide 1, 2, 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8, paddle 1, 2, walk 3, walk 4, kick 5, 6, 7, 8, shimmy 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, sailor 1 and 2, 3, 4, kick 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're at our final wall. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, slide 1, 2, 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8, paddle 1, 2, walk 3, walk 4, kick 5, 6, slide 7, 8, shimmy 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, sailor 1 and 2, 3, 4, kick 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, if you got all your walls down, it is time to dance it out. Go ahead and click the link below.